Dawg. Deputy Dawg. Wake up there, boy.
Let go of my football there. Go for a cut. You see, I'm busy guarding the hen house.
But you don't understand. Muskrat's hooked into old fighter.
Ooh-wee, the last time anyone hooked that cotton-picking catfish was 10 years ago. Hold them, Muskie. You got the granddaddy of them all there, boy. Hurry up there, boys. He's really fat. Hold him there, Muskie. You got help now, boy. What are you doing? He's done it now, Deputy Dawg. He assaulted an officer of the legal law.
Yeah, and that's against the law, even for a catfish.
You don't have to use hooks no more, Deputy Dawg. Anyway, you catch that lawbreaker fair and square, wade in there and arrest him, boy. By golly, I think you boys are right. I'll give that cotton-picking catfish 30 days in the frying pan.
That a boy, Deputy Dawg.
Help! Help! He's chomping on my tailbone! Dagnabbit! You guilty of resisting arrest there! You... What you gonna do there, Deputy Dawg? No doggone catfish is gonna defy the law around here. When he chased me out this time, Muskrat, you whacked me in the head there, boy. I'm ready there, Deputy Dawg. I got him, Deputy Dawg. I got him there, boy. What you gonna try now, Deputy Dawg? I'm gonna blast that law-breaking farmers out of there. I can smell that catfish frying right now. That's you frying there, Deputy Dawg.
Deputy Dawg's sure after old fighter for real, Muskie.
I'm gonna put out the legal dragnet for that varmint. I've got him, boys. I've got him. Give me a hand there. Pull, boys, pull. Vince, I've got a swell idea, boy. I'm gonna use you to catch old Fighter.
I just remembered. I gotta go.
I want you to tunnel down, then out, and grab that varmint from behind.
Yeah, but my eyesight ain't too good.
Stop digging.
Okay, I can see.
Don't come back without him there, Vince, boy.
I can't find him, Deputy Dawg.
Okay, Deputy Dawg. It's the only thing to do, boys. Empty the pot. We'll have that cotton-picking catfish floundering in the mud by midnight.